Hi loves, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Mapenzi, and if you're a returning subscriber, baby Kidelo Kiss is always here. So first of all, mkiniona na hii dera sana, msi mind, that's why it's a dera. It's supposed to be worn at home, so all the time that I'm at home, I'm probably wearing this dera or another one that I have not unveiled onto my vlog yet. So yeah, mind your business, just mind your business. Anyway, so today I'm so excited. I'm so excited because I want to do an unboxing for the gift that I won on the Bake with Faye competition. So I won a hamper and a stand mixer. So I just want to unbox. I see how it looks. So let's just unbox together. I'm just so excited. So I wanted to share my excitement with you. Please, we do not brag in this channel. We just share excitement. So msikuja hapa na the wrong vibes, yeah? Get the vibes right. So yeah, let's unbox. I'm so happy. Yeah, and I'm fresh faced. So don't come at me. So ngoja tu ni unbox. Okay. You guys, I'm so excited. I've never won anything in my life, as in never. But I won this. I won a competition. Hashtag Bake with Faye.
Something about baby girl, I just can't leave alone. Tell me, mom, what's it gonna be? She said, you don't know what you mean to me. I do. All I think about is you. Even when I'm with my boo, oh, you know I'm crazy over you. No matter what I do, all I think about is you. Even when I'm with my boo, you know I'm crazy over you. I see all out and you looking, I never say a word. I know.
Thank you so much, Faye and Ramtones, for this. So let's start with the Faye hamper. You can see it has serviettes, kitchen towels, foil, baking paper, cling film, tissue. We've already started using it. Wet wipes and facial tissues. Yeah, that's supposed to be a thumbnail. And then the mixer. So I've already opened, like, let's see. Ah! It's silver. Ooh-wee. Talk up a box, bro. I'm usually so excited. I don't have patience. Alas. Ooh! Nimeweka utoto. Nafaka hiyo. Okay. Yeah, something like that. Guys, it's black. It's black. Love it. All my appliances are black. So it's my kitchen counter. So I'm so happy. I have to read the instructions, guys, but yeah, here it is.
oops.
It's okay. Wow, so I think goes there. It's supposed to go here, and then the mixing thing here, then yeah. I'm so excited. Okay.
Really want this
She snapping. Yeah, snap your fingers. Do your step. You can do it all by yourself. Baby girl, what's your name? Let me talk to you. Let me buy you a drink. I'm T-Pain. You know me. Convict music, nappy boy. I know the club goes at 3. What's the chances of you rolling with me? Back to the crib, show you how I live. Let's get drunk, forget what we did. Come on, buy you a drink. I'ma take you home with me. I can put it in the bank. I'll be in the great Cadillac. We in the bed like that. We in the bed like talk to me.
Are you riding? Fly me, and I need Kiki, do you love me? Are you riding? Say you never ever leave from beside me. Cause I want you, and I need you, and I'm down for you always, KB. Do you love me? Are you riding? Say you never ever leave from beside me. Cause I want you, and I need you, and I'm down for you always. But the new me is really still the real me. I swear you gotta feel me before they try and kill me. They gotta make some choices, they running out of options. Cause I've been going off and they don't know when to stop. And when you get the top and I see that you've been learning. And when I take the shop, spend it like you earned it. And when you popped off on your ex, he deserved it. I thought you would've won from the jump that confirmed it. The track money did it. I buy you champagne, but you love some hit. From the block like you did it. I know you special girl, cause I know too many burned it. The track money did it.
Also, don't forget to like this video, please. You know, the reason as to why I ask you guys to like the video is so that it can be recommended to other people who don't know about me. All this goodness. So please like the video, please share with your own contacts, and please subscribe and press the bell. Okay, bye.